Today on Auto Pros on the Road, we're in Buffalo, New York, visiting Bison Automotive, a trusted NAPA Gold Auto Care Center that's been serving the community since 1992. Owner Bob Gugino shares his journey from growing up in a family shop to running one of the most respected repair facilities in the country.
I'm Bob Gugino from Bison Automotive. We've been here since 1992, 33 years in business. We are a certified gold NAPA Auto Care Center and an approved auto repair shop for AAA. My father and uncle started businesses many years ago, right after the war. So I've been doing this since I was a little kid. There's a picture of me somewhere as 3 years old with a Texaco uniform on, holding a gas pump. So I was pretty much pre-programmed to do this my whole life. They had their businesses, and of course we transitioned from their business into my business. Basically just laying awake at night one night and coming up with something that sounded established, but also something that was local. So I came up with Bison Automotive in detail. What we try to offer is honesty, integrity in the automotive business. Too many people are not sure where to go. There's a lot of chain places, a lot of dealerships, a lot of confusion. Cars are very complicated nowadays and difficult for most people to understand. So we try to bring the honesty and the integrity to it, but also try to explain to the customers what they need and how their car works and what can be safe and reliable for them in the future. Being a NAPA Auto Care Center and then being also a AAA approved repair shop is a big thing because it gives a big cloak of credibility to the customers coming in, because of course they know NAPA and they understand the logo with that, which means quality parts. But AAA, for 25 years we've been the Top Shop Award winner for AAA here in Western New York. Unsolicitedly, AAA went ahead and put my name in to be a Top Shop Award winner. And sure enough, we got the Best of the Best award in 2021 for the whole country. Being with that is just such a exclamation point on what we do here. My team is so good here, and they won that award more than me. I mean, sure, I'm the boss, I own the place, but really whatever happens in the bays and what's going on out in the field on our AAA truck is more important than really anything I could ever do. And these guys are just top notch, constantly getting great reviews, always being able to handle the customers, taking care of what their needs are, really without much problems. As far as the technology in the cars, like I said, it never stops. The cars don't stop, the technology doesn't stop, and we don't stop. We constantly buy new equipment, constantly upgrading that equipment, constantly go with training. It's really important to just keep at it, keep at it, keep at it. And like I said, NAPA is great here in Buffalo by having training sessions throughout the year and also online to really keep us up to speed. The important part is to make sure that my guys have the right equipment, the right tools, and most importantly, the right training to be able to know what they're doing, to be able to diagnose this problem on that car efficiently so we can get the car done for the customer and out the door.
Thank you. Bye.
When you first started out, we didn't have any technology that we have nowadays. Nowadays, we're able to actually take pictures of problems with cars, doesn't matter what it is, and be able to populate those pictures and then send it to the customer. Cars are very complicated. People don't always understand what it is or what part or what this part does, its function. So we're able to not only describe the part that actually needs to be replaced or is broken or leaking or something like that, we can actually describe what it is, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. So much better to do it that way. So that's really come a long way. The technology in this business is really taken off, and every time I turn around, there's always more technology, things to make us more efficient, better, and to serve the customer better. I grew up in Buffalo my whole life. 65 years old, I've lived here all my life. This is a great community. In fact, if you're asking me, I think we actually had a little secret in the country. Kind of a little bit more of a Midwest city, I would probably tell you, than I would be something like New York or Chicago. So it's a nice place to live. There's a really good community feel here. Kind of like a bigger town, but it's a small town at the same time. Gugino family has been fixing cars in Western New York since the 50s. So we are a cornerstone, of course, in the community. Many people that knew my dad or my uncles have always come here, and we're kind of the go-to shop around here, which is important, and it really makes me prideful to know that people take that trust in me and they want to come in here, and they know that Bison Automotive has been around for decades. And we must be doing something right because we've been here all this time. So that's really important as far as being part of the community here, but also the community involvement too, because it isn't just a one-way street here. First of all, I'm an elder in my church, Emmanuel Lutheran Church in Tonawanda. I'm very proud to be an elder in my church. I lead worship there, and that really is something that I really love to do. I'm a former chairman of the Business Development Group here in Buffalo. We've done many, many community things. We've given cars away, we've given food away, we've given clothes away. So we really try to help the community. Every year we're always doing some kind of a community service to give back. Of course, we get in from our community. It's important for the businesses, I believe, to get back. Trust is earned, right? Not deserved. You have to earn that trust. Each and every time I deal with my customers, no matter how long they've been here or with their first time here, it doesn't matter. I'm always honest and upright with what they need. I go over their needs for their car, what their concerns are, what we've been able to find. So it's really important to make sure everyone's on the same page. People are very busy nowadays. People's schedules are like crazy. We're running kids here and there. We got no time for anything. So it's important to me to make sure that they feel that they have that trust and that confidence, that knowing that after I service their vehicles, their car is good, it's safe, it's confident, and they can do anything they want with it, especially piling their kids in it, because that's the most important thing they have, right? So really to have that trust, that confidence, knowing my car is going to be good because I got it serviced at Bison Automotive, so I can head for a trip with my wife and family, that's huge.
Bison Automotive is more than a repair shop. It's a story of family roots, decades of hard work, and a commitment to serving Buffalo with honesty and integrity. From local recognition to national awards, Bob Gugino has built a shop that truly reflects the best of NAPA Auto Care.